What's up, everybody? Welcome to
Boom! That just happened.
This explosion happened by the Lebanese port, and at first they were saying it was caused by fireworks, but I never seen fireworks like this before. After further investigation, it was confirmed that the fire ignited 2,700 tons of ammonium nitrate. These cops got their car stolen right in front of their faces.
Stop! Stop!
David 136, suspect just stole my vehicle.
Let's go to Vegas. We'll all get drunk and
Yeah,
Woo!
woo!
Let's steal a cop car because it'd be really funny.
Yeah, think you gonna get away with it? Not up in here.
Not up in here!
This wave machine was made by a company in Australia so that people can start surfing on a man-made lake.
Underwater?
Put it down. I need to put the bowl down nice and gently.
This is a rare albino white whale. There is only 3 other known white whales currently known to existence.
Smell these breath? I smell these breath.
This is the tallest statue in the world, located in India. It's almost twice the size of the Statue of Liberty. These decorations are flying by using drones.
Boom! That just happened.
Thank you for watching. Please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification alert. See you next time.